5 over 6 of a number of pupils in a class is 4 greater than 3 over 4 of the number of pupils in the class. Find the number of pupils in the class. Let's take our solution and see how we can solve this. So we let the number of pupils be equal to, let's say, x. So the number of pupils in the class is equal to x. Now the first statement says that 5 over 6 of the number. Therefore, 5 over 6 of the number should be equal to 5 over 6. Then 3 over 4 of the number should be equal to 3 over 4x. So, with what we have now, 5 over 6 of the number of pupils is 4 greater than 3 over 4. What this simply means is that the 5 over 6 of the pupils is bigger than the 3 over 4. But this 5 over 6 is 4 more than the 3 over 4. Therefore, for these two sides to be equal, if this one is 4 more than this, then if I should equate the two of them, I need to either subtract 4 from this to get this, because this is 4 more than this. So I need to subtract 4 from this side to be equal to this. Or, because this one is 4 more than this, I need to add 4 to this to get this. So whichever way you go, you will still get your answer. Therefore, this implies that, let me subtract the 4 from the bigger one. I'll be having 5 over 6x minus 4 to be equal to 3 over 4x. And you can see that yes, when you skip the positive, that is the negative 4 to this side, it is the same as what? You adding 4 to this one to get the 5 over 6. So what we have here is a type 4 where we have fractions. Therefore, we multiply each of the terms by the LCM. So what I should be having now, the LCM is 12. So I would be having 12 into bracket 5x over 6 minus 12 into bracket 4 to be equal to 12 into bracket 3x over 4, such that 6 will cancel 12, 2, and 4 will cancel 12, 3. So at this stage, I would be having 2 into bracket 5x minus 48 is equal to 3 into bracket 3x. So I have 10x minus 48 is equal to 9x. Now 10x minus 9x is equal to 48. That is when I group like terms. So x is equal to 48 pupils. It tells that there are 48 pupils in the class. How do we know if our answer is right or wrong? Let's find out from this side. Now they said 5 over 6 of x. So 5 over 6 times 48 pupils. We are finding out if our answer is right or wrong. 6 cancels 48 8 times. So I now have 5 by 8, which is giving me 40 pupils. So when I strike the 5 over 6 by the number of pupils I had, I will be getting 40 pupils for the 5 over 6. Let's try the 3 over 40. So that one too is 3 over 4 times 48 pupils. 4 cancels 48, 12. So I now have 3 by 12, which will give me 36 pupils. Now, from the look of things, let's look at the 40 and the 36. What is the difference? The difference is 4. So you can see that it is clear that it is true that 5 over 6 of a certain number of pupils in the class is 4 more than 3 over 4, the same number of pupils in the class. So it tells us that our 48 that we had as the answer is correct.